Okay, I'm running Windows 7 here in a virtual machine, and the first thing we're going to do is install Firefox. So I will turn Internet Explorer on, and we can go to mozilla.com. You'll be presented with the download for Firefox 3.6.3 or the newer version depending on when you arrive. We could say save. Desktop is our best option. And depending on your speed, it may take a few seconds to download or a bit longer. Once that's done, just click close and you can shut down Explorer, probably for good. And there's our setup. We'll just run that. Now, during the setup, you might get the UAC or user account control. Just say yes. Click next. Standard installation. Use Firefox as my default web browser. I will choose that. I'm a hardcore Firefox fan. And launch Firefox now. You'll be given the option to import passwords, history, bookmarks, and everything else from Internet Explorer. I never use it, so there's not really anything to import. And set my Firefox homepage. Just click Finish. Firefox will open up with two tabs. One will be Welcome to Firefox. The other will be the start page you'll see normally. And this little Know Your Rights tab. And that's the installation. We'll move on to add-ons. Okay, now that we have Firefox installed, we could do a little cleanup and just delete the installation and start Firefox. Now we could click on Tools and Add-ons right here. You'll be shown some recommended add-ons for Firefox. There's things like weather and Twitter and all sorts of things. We could click Browse All Add-ons, which will open up the Firefox page that shows all of the add-ons made so far. There are categories here for you. You could choose if you're looking for an add-on regarding appearance, bookmarks, download management, security, and privacy. Here we could see featured add-ons, popular add-ons, recently added and recently updated. And if you could search for add-ons if you already know what add-on you're looking for. One of the first ones I like to add is NoScript. And here it is. Now, NoScript is a really good security add-on. What it does is it blocks clickjacking, cross-site scripting attacks. It will pretty much block any JavaScript, Flash plugins, anything like that from running from sites that you don't trust. So we could click Add to Firefox. Install now. When it installs, it will ask you to restart Firefox, and it will do it on its own. And then reload. Now already you can see when it kicks in, this little bar pops up. Scripts currently forbidden. There are two scripts trying to run, and if we click on options, we could see that they are Google scripts. So if we click allow google.ca, from now on, this bar will never pop up again. It will always allow Google because we said Google is okay. So I will click that, and notice the bar disappears. There's a little option to get it here, the script symbol, and we can allow scripts globally, which has dangerous in brackets because that would defeat the purpose of the add-on. Everything would be allowed through. Okay, back at the Firefox add-on page, I'm going to add my next add-on, and that will be download helper. Video download helper. I'll add this. Now what Video Download Helper does is it will allow you to download a lot of video you see on the net on websites that you ordinarily wouldn't be able to get. So if I go to youtube.ca and we could see no script is kicked in here. If I wanted to, let's say, download a music video. So here we have Lady Gaga. If I wanted to download this video, I'll just stop it here. I could come up here. You could see these little balls rotating are the symbol for Video Download Helper. I can choose whether I want to download this video in a higher definition, or this video in an even higher definition, and I could just click download, desktop, leave the file name Lady Gaga Bad Romance, and click save. It will start to download this video. Okay, now that the video is downloaded, you can see it's right here, and it won't play in Windows Media Player even though it shows there. You'll need something better than Windows Media Player, and if you follow the guysbrotech.com website, you'll see I recommend VLC Player. Since this is a virtual machine, I don't have anything installed on it, but I have VLC Portable here. I'll just run that and drag and drop the video, and we can see that it plays perfectly fine. We've downloaded the video. Okay, now back to the Firefox add-on site. There's another Firefox add-on I like to add, and it's strictly just for appearance sake. It's personas. And it would be right here. Now, personas just lets you customize the images that would be up here. Right now it's right plain and boring looking, so I could customize the look of Firefox, make it a little more personal. And we'll just restart. Now you can see already it by default added this interesting little background onto my Firefox, but I would like to browse the gallery. Now when you're in the gallery, you can hover over a well, actually my no script is blocking it. I will allow personas, and still not working, so I'm blocking. I will allow all of this page. I know that Firefox is safe. If I hover over any of these images, it will automatically give me a preview up the top of what it would look like if I wore it. And I could choose from, there's probably thousands of these around now, and you can build your own, which I'll show you in the next tutorial. So I will just click on wear this Iron Man one. And from now on, whenever I load Firefox up, I will have my Iron Man little background. And that's it for the add-ons.